Hey and welcome. My name is Tracy Montgomery. I am your menopause strategist, taking you through menopause, midlife, and all that goes with it. So today we're going to look at, does decluttering lead to physical and mental freedom in midlife? So let's think about it. Midlife can bring about lots of changes that are going on within your body. Those female hormones back in their bags and they're off. This hormonal shift can affect our physical and mental well-being. And one way that this can manifest itself is the accumulation of lots of clutter. So clutter, collecting things, both physical things, so you might collect books, you might collect ornaments of some sort, and you don't get rid of them, but you can also have things collecting here in your mind, and that can lead to us becoming disorganized, and it can create stress in our physical environment, but also with what's going on within our heads. So decluttering can become a crucial step to decreasing stress and leading us to have a much more organized and stress-free midlife. So what is decluttering? Decluttering is the process of getting rid of things that are of no use to us anymore. So things that don't serve us anymore, we can get rid of them. They can be physical things. So that coat that you've had for 30 years that's a little bit threadbare or is no longer waterproof, do something about it. Does it still serve? Does it still have the same purpose? The same with your thoughts. Those thoughts that are no longer serving us, let's get rid of them. So there are numerous benefits for us to declutter, both physically and mentally. Physically, it can make our personal environment more appealing, give us more space, make us feel that we've got something to move into, make us more organized, reduce the fact that we can't find things because there are so many other things in the way. Organized space makes us feel more relaxed, more comfortable, more in control because we can find things, especially when those hormones keep getting in the way. Mentally, decluttering can improve our lives at this stage. It helps us to prioritize what's important, reduces our distractions, and frees up our mental energy. We're not thinking about those things that are no longer useful, no longer productive to us. And we can focus more on the things that are going to improve our mental clarity, improve our mental well-being, and keep our focus, which is of prime importance when those hormones are packing their suitcases ready to leave. Additionally, decluttering can save us time and energy and money. So it gives us time to find the things that we want, avoid buying things that we've already got. So how can we get started? What can we do to start our decluttering process? So start small. Start on a small area, a single cupboard, closet, set of drawers, and declutter. Get rid of the things that you know are in there that you don't need and get them out of the way. Plan. So plan where you're going to start your decluttering. So maybe you're going to do the corner cupboard in the kitchen this week, and then next week you're going to do the next cupboard along, so that you're not doing it all in one go and thereby reducing your overwhelm. Sort your items into categories. You can have 3 different piles: keep, donate, sell, keep, donate, give away, all those sort of things. There can be a pile of no use whatsoever to anybody as well. The throwaway pile. You are allowed to throw things away. I know it can be difficult, but you can throw things away. You have to be quite ruthless though. You have to say to yourself, that can opener that hasn't worked for the past 15 years really does need to go. Those sort of things. Just get rid of and take it slowly. Don't expect to do it all in one place, because some of these items that you're going to remove can have an emotional attachment, and you might not want to get rid of them all straight away. There might be a process that you need to go to before you declutter. So there can be some failures and you can have difficulty decluttering because of this emotional attachment. This, it takes me back to a place I was when I could achieve. I remember that happening because of. If that item, though, does not serve you, try to get rid. Because if it's taking up space, it can be overwhelming, it can be quite stifling, and it can be quite stressful. So bear in mind that decluttering can be beneficial. There may be some items that you want to keep hold of because of that emotional attachment. So if it's a photograph in a frame, the frame's broken, maybe switch the frame, keep the photograph, those sort of things. It may be a chip mug that a very dear friend, member of your family used to use and you want to keep it. Just think carefully so that you guard your emotions at this turbulent time, so that you're not leaving yourself bereft. We can, because there's so much going on, lack the motivation to get started. Those hormonal changes can make us feel quite fatigued and overwhelmed before we even start, and our energy levels can be quite low. So just think about that. And remember that the actual process of decluttering itself can be quite physically challenging. So if you are decluttering a whole room, it can be physically draining. So give yourself the amount of time to be able to declutter. And allow for thoughts to flood in. You find something that you haven't seen for 20, 30 years, and it's going to bring back a big raft of memories, things that were. Be ready for that. So be aware that decluttering is a useful process. It can give you space to grow into. It doesn't mean to say that you fill it with other clutter again, but it can give you space to think. And it can do that both physically and mentally. So for you to think about other ways that you can declutter, other ways that we can support you through this hormonal transition, come and join my group, Menopause, Midlife, and all the. I'll put a link in the comments below. I will talk to you soon and help you on your journey through this menopause transition and beyond. Speak soon. Bye for now.